Struggling to find your next winning product? JungleScout's product database makes it easy. Here's how. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So here's a sneak peek on what it looks like. So pretty much you just put in a category. We're gonna say we want products that are $50 and over, a net revenue of over 5,000, and bada bing, bada boom, it's showing us different types of products. An orange safety cone, PVC. We've got an automatic pressure calibrator. I don't even know what that is, but it's selling, and it's and the price, you can see kind of the revenue it's making. So we can try to filter it by revenue and see what's going on. And you can see these traffic cones are making a significant amount of money. And then you can see different color traffic cones could be making a lot of money as well. So let's dive into this tool a little bit deeper and I can show you more about it. So first things first is you're gonna go to junglescout.com and then you're going to go to product database. If you need to sign up with a discount, it's right in the description. But this is where it's going to help you find different products. And as you can see, we've got 30 different monthly searches that we can do on this. So we're checking right now if we wanted to do, let's say, we wanted to sell an item in home and kitchen, right? And let's say we want to sell something that's a little bit more expensive, right? Because we want to make a higher profit margin. Usually the more expensive the item is, the higher the profit margin. So we're going to say $50 is the minimum, and they have to be making at least $5,000 a month in revenue. Now we can click search, and then JungleScout's going to do its little thing and see what we're going at. We can also download a CSV or change the columns on this to show only columns that we want to see. Now I'm gonna filter it by revenue right here, and we can see different things that we're doing. So we've got snow juice concentrate, makes 880 gallons, and you can actually view it on Amazon, and it's saying the revenue is about 23 million a month. Let's just see if this is correct. Wow, they're selling it for a lot of money. They could sell this. Wow, so still 608, that 100,000. That's crazy. So we're kind of just looking at this at 4 gallons. This could be an item. It only has one review and it's making a huge amount of money. I never saw this. This is why you want to just look into this tool and see. It might show you something that's interesting. Okay, folding chairs, snap frame on the wall. You want something unique. So something, okay, again, an X power air mover. Oh, this is for airflow. Oh, so if your house gets like flooded or something, and we can kind of look, this one's out of stock right now, but we can look at different items. So let's go into a different category. So we can also look at musical instruments, and maybe we have like a price that's pretty high of like 140. It has to have at least 5 reviews. We can also put a max on the number of reviews and try to find lower competition. We can look at it and just find different things in here, and it's pretty cool just to see. Elgato Stream Deck, so we can see, and on Amazon, if we look into this, you can see it does have a lot of reviews, but it's got 4,000 bought in the past month, $1 million a month. So this could be another item if you are into music or you understand music, what you can do to make a product like this or make it even better. Let's look a little bit deeper again at some more products. So what we're doing next is we're going to actually just narrow it down to only have 20 reviews. So between 5 and 20 reviews. So it's a newer product, but it's already been on Amazon for a little bit. And could be products that we could pretty much compete with or get better ideas on instead of just looking at the top brands. So if we scroll down and we're just kind of looking for different products, then this looks pretty cool. So it's a standalone DJ controller, and if we view it on Amazon, it's making around $200,000 a month. They're out of stock, so the demand was probably really high, and even with their bad reviews, they're still making a significant amount of money. So again, if you know DJing or if you understand it a bit, this could be a huge product. We can even look at the negative reviews. I don't see them. It's not showing, but defective. So again, they have to triple check to make sure it all works and it is not defective, but it's just crazy how much money these products are making. Here's another one. This one's 100 bought in the past month, much better reviews, right? But again, it's just insane to see something with such a small number of reviews doing so well on Amazon. And it's weird that Variation isn't sharing reviews, so they would have to contact Amazon to fix that. but still significant amount of sales, a product that you could find. So altogether, this tool can be helpful. It's not the most helpful tool, but it could be helpful with helping you narrow down specifics in different categories. If you play around with it enough and really check out this tool, I do believe you could find a profitable product. And this is in a completely different way of finding products than what I usually mention. So you can try this way, and a lot of sellers most likely don't do it. Now that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with product launch, finding a product, or anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description and you can schedule a call with us right away. Our #1 service is our full A to Z account management service. Well, we'll come into your account, we'll look at everything, help you manage all of your customer service, calling Amazon, listing optimization, design, and much, much more. So that way you can focus on working on your business and we can focus on managing it and increasing your sales. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.